Attention. Take the prayer position.
My life is in you, Lord. My strength is in you, Lord. My hope is in you, Lord. In you, it's in you. My life is in you, Lord. My strength is in you, Lord. My hope is in you, Lord. In you, it's in you. I'll praise you with all of my life. I'll praise you with all of my strength, with all of my life, with all of my strength. All my hope is in you. My life is in you, Lord. My strength is in you, Lord. My hope is in you, Lord. In you, it's in you. My life is in you, Lord. My strength is in you, Lord. My hope is in you, Lord. In you, it's in you. In you, it's in you. In you, it's in you.
A reading from the Holy Bible. Wisdom is radiant and unfading, and she is easily discerned by those who love her, and is found by those who seek her. She hastens to make herself known to those who desire her. One who rises early to seek her will have no difficulty, for she will be found sitting at the gate. To fix one's thought on her is perfect understanding, and one who is vigilant on her account will soon be free from care, because she goes about seeking those worthy of her, and she graciously appears to them in their paths, and meets them in every thought. The beginning of wisdom is the most sincere desire for instruction, and concern for instruction is love of her, and love of her is the keeping of her laws, and giving heed to her laws is assurance of immortality, and immortality brings one near to her.
भगवत गीता से पाठ। मन अशांत है और नियंत्रित करना कठिन है, लेकिन अभ्यास से इसे वश में किया जा सकता है। उससे मत डरो जो वास्तविक नहीं है, जो कभी था न कभी होगा। जो वास्तविक है वह हमेशा था और उसे कभी नष्ट नहीं किया जा सकता। व्यक्ति जो चाहे बन सकता है यदि वह विश्वास के साथ इच्छित वस्तु पर लगातार चिंतन करे। राधे राधे।
Reading from the Holy Quran. Life is a gift from God, and it is the only God, and not the human beings who has right to take it back. This willful taking of one's own life is considered a major sin in Quran.
2020, a year it was like we may not see again in our lifetime. A year to forget, but the one that we will always remember. But when we ask ourselves, as we have ushered into a virtual world, it taught us many things from patience to perseverance, importance of our loved ones, spendthrift to savings, re-emergence of empathy, health is wealth, to practicing gratitude that lead us to happiness and not the other way around. This year has made us question, are we looking for the happiness in the wrong place? As life begins to return in the resemblance of normalcy in 2021, we'll begin again to enjoy the many hedonic aspects of our lives we have missed. So much traveling, eating out, having friends for our dinner, and going to concerts. But we must also consider what aspects of our life or the COVID lives are worth preserving to help us create a better normal for ourselves in the coming year. Let us strive to create a masterpiece in 2021. Wishing you all a very happy new year once again that brings with it a message of hope. A dawning of a brand new chapter in our lives that shows us that it's okay to let go to the past and start again. It's a reset better. It's an opportunity to reinvent ourselves, but only if we have strength to keep moving forward. It's one thing to sit down and create a long list of New Year's resolutions, and it's another to have the self-discipline to follow through with them. So instead of worrying about tomorrow or wondering how you are going to stick with it all these years, just take one small step today in the right direction and judge yourself and just go ahead. Don't waste any more time preparing, just start walking and create the life you were meant to live. And now we welcome the new year with a full of enthusiasm, peaceful heart and a blissful mind. Wish you all a very happy new year.
May God make your year a happy one, not by saving us from all sorrows and pain, but by strengthening us to bear it as it comes. Not by making our path easy, but by making us steady to travel any path. Not by taking hardships from us, but by taking fear from our heart. Not by granting us unbroken sunshine, but by keeping our face bright even in the shadows. Not by making our life always pleasant, but by showing us when people and their causes need us most, and by making us anxious to be there to help. God's love, peace, hope and joy to us for the year ahead.
Thought of the day: confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person.
Within the hallowed portals, Carmel dear, we learn the truth that casts out fear. God is our all, He's always near. Persons fight with faith and wisdom clear. In dedicated love, a duty done, and kind concern for everyone. O Carmel School, of you we proudly sing. To you our loyal love we bring. Raise then on high the Carmel banner bright. To one and all itself proclaim. We stand for truth, for equal rights, in playful trust and in God's name. Carmel School, you fashion us to be. Love teaching us we, brave and free. Loyal to our school, our home, our land. Proud to have a heritage so grand. Responsible, courageous Carmelites we. For social justice, progress, liberty. Our culture prized, Indian to the core. Lead us with a vision ever to do more. Raise then on high the Carmel banner bright. To one and all it's all proclaim. We stand for truth, for equal rights, in prayerful trust and in God's name. We stand for truth, for equal rights, in prayerful trust and in God's name.